Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we'll do a chrome delete on our chrome trims over here. So we're going to delete that because I don't like the way the chrome looks on these trims. So the things that we're gonna use on this to delete this are the window visors. So I got a set from Autoclover and let's check them out. Okay, so these are the smoke door visor. Again, these are from Autoclover. They are made in Korea. They are nice. I got this back in June and it's now like October that I'm installing them. It's like a bad time to install them because it's kind of cold now here. But luckily I have a heated garage, so I turn on the heater to get the temperature up. And I'm also gonna use a heat gun to kind of heat up the double-sided tape. So make sure also that you clean the chrome trim. Make sure you wipe that with some alcohol prep pads and then just dry them out, then wipe them. I already prepped mine, so let's do the install. Okay, so I already warm up the adhesive, the double-sided tape at the back of this, so hopefully we won't mess up. Probably it's getting cold already right now, but it will help also if you have like a tape to hold it in place. So let me align it. So I'm just aligning it right now. Oops, okay, that one is good. So this side is good. We're sticking it right now. Now we just have to slowly peel this. What's that? That's my car? Oh, okay, whatever. Okay, so I don't know what happened there, but my car just beep for some reason. Oh, because I have the key inside and I think my belly touches the thing. But yeah, so just do this partially and just apply pressure on the parts that you already peeled and make sure it's just aligned. Already look better having this compared to the chrome. Let me just peel it all the way and stick it. So make sure that you apply pressure, especially here in the bottom end, but apply pressure on the whole thing, which I'm doing, and hopefully it doesn't fly out. So just do the same on the other side. We're gonna work on the rear passenger door, and basically that's it. Okay, so now we're gonna start with the rear door. So same procedure, easy. Hopefully I don't mess up. So I'm gonna start here, and yeah, this one's sticking already. So I think we're good. We're golden, it's aligned. And we're just gonna apply pressure here. Start pulling. Sorry, but I'm not a chrome guy, so that's why I don't like the chrome trims. But you know what, I'm gonna keep chrome? The badges, the back, because doing a chrome delete on those or blacking them out, it's expensive. But yeah, so this one is Done. Easy. Probably if I'm not taking a video, I'm already done. But yeah, so again, this one is okay. I don't know, I think I'm kind of messed up here. No, but yeah, that looks good. Now we're gonna work on the rear part here. So I still have that. I don't know why, but it helps with the chrome delete. All right. Okay, so now we're gonna put the rear part here, this small piece. So we're just gonna align it. Just gonna carefully align it. I already like peeled it. Now we're gonna press it. So now I'm just applying pressure. Hopefully this one doesn't fly off because it's the small piece. It's already looking good. Yeah, so if this fly out, then okay, it fly out. Again, do the same thing on the other side, and that's it. So let me show you the results of the chrome delete. Okay, so there you go, guys. Already installed. Looks good. It looks good. Such an improvement without the chrome. The chrome here, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I guess I'll keep that. But the one over here, window visors, looks good to me. Such an improvement. These are the smoke pieces. So if you haven't subscribed yet on my channel, please subscribe. If you find this video helpful, if you want to buy this type of visors, I'll put the link on the description below. Okay, so quick update. So after I installed this visors, I went on a trip to Leavenworth, Washington, which is about 3 hours away from me. So on my drive over there, it was nice. On the way home, it is raining. So my only concern is this small piece, this visor, will fly out, but it did not. So lucky. And I went on a touchless car wash, and again, my concern is that one will blow out in place. So, but it did not. So, yep. So they stick in place. I don't need to change the double-sided tape on it. I use whatever comes with it. So Autoclover, thumbs up with that one. So again, if you want to purchase this one, I'll put the link on the description below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.